Hello learners. In last video we have seen paired t-test. So in paired t-test we were forced to follow the normality assumption because it is a parametric test. But suppose if normality is not there. So what? So there is an alternative of paired t-test, that is Wilcoxon paired test. Let's explore in SPSS. So this is one case where Bolo industry has a maintenance department and they deploy a new preventive maintenance protocol or SOP, and they try to track the breakdown or downtime. So before uh, implementation of that SOP and after implementation of SOP, is there any difference or not? So they want to test. So again, they have data for 30 days and before after situation is there. So what would be the null hypothesis? That is downtown before is equal to downtown after. In other words, we want to measure the SOP or you can say protocols impact. So in null hypothesis, it states that there is no difference, whereas alternate states that there is difference. So let's check it. So let's work on SPSS. So I am just opening SPSS. I am opening the data. I am just changing to Excel. Paired data. It is second Wilcoxon. The same data is loaded. Now here, what is the first step? I will check the normality. So here, descriptive statistics, explore, downtime before, downtime after, go to plots, check the normality, continue, okay. You can see all the descriptives are there, and here normality assumption has been broken. It is less than 0.05, where null states that uh, it is normally distributed. Alternate states data is not normally distributed. So in both the case, data states that data is not normally distributed. So here we can say that data is not normally distributed. You can see here the hypotheses are there. So now we cannot move with t-test. So here we will follow alternate test, and that is Wilcoxon test. So go to analyze, click on non-parametric test. Yes, it is related sample. So click on related sample, enter both the variable, that is before and after. In settings, you can customize to Wilcoxon test. Just hit run. You can see here the test has given its output, but we need to see this. Here p-value is less than 0.05. So you can see here we reject our null hypothesis. And what was null hypothesis? That median difference before and after is 0 or equal to 0. But we reject it. So alternate is there is a difference. There is a difference. So this way we need to test Wilcoxon Signed-Ranks Test for related sample, or you can say paired samples. Thank you.